सो गाइज अकोमोडेशन की वीडियो देखनी है तो मैं पहले ही बता दूं, वहां पे आपको जब भी आप अप्लाई, जहां भी अप्लाई करो, आप लोगों को डिटेल में इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी है। सिर्फ ये नहीं लिखना है मेरा नाम ये है, मैं जगह देख रहा हूँ। आपको बताना पड़ेगा अगर आपके साथ कोई पेट है या आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, कितने लोग हैं, एवरीथिंग। बाकी इस वीडियो को पूरी देखें और मिलते हैं आपसे इस वीडियो के एंड में। You are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today I am here with another video. I hope you are enjoying all the videos which are coming, because we are coming up on alternate days. And if you are not following my series which has been started every Saturday at 7 PM for modal paper practice, we have started from A1. Every Saturday modal paper of A1 is coming, like 2 episodes has already gone, and we'll be going to all the levels like A2, B1, C1, C2, every level will be coming. So please stay tuned. And guys, in this whole video we're gonna tell you about accommodation while sitting in India, how you can book your living place in Germany. There is a lot of scams going on in Germany for the same, so I hope you will be getting tips and tricks how you can work on it and everything in this video. So do watch the video till end, because we will be giving you 3 divided parts in this video. First part will be that what are the sites, how you can find it out and everything. Second will be what are the scams, and third will be how you can overcome from that scams. So please stay tuned, and now let's start the video. Guys, if I talk about the accommodation in Germany, so let me just tell you, in colleges where you are applying or the universities, you will be getting the accommodation from the university, from the colleges, but please make sure that you have to apply for that. And secondly, if they are occupied, then you will be not getting that, and if you are not getting that, then you have to find it out by yourself. So let me just guide you what you can do for that. Guys, the very first point is that will not suggest you that you should find the accommodation in city centers. First, you will be not getting there, and secondly, by chance if you get it, then that will be so costly because it's in city center. So I will request you that please do find the accommodation little far from city center, so it will be much benefit for you as financial system, of course. Many universities in Germany gives you the assistance for the international students, specifically for the international students. So in that case, what you can do is you can connect with them. Like you can go to the student service center or the international departments. Basically they will be providing you the contact details, and while after getting the contact details, you can connect with them and find the best accommodation for you. So guys, the next point which I want to tell you is that online, like there are so many websites, there are so many online platforms from where you can find the best accommodation according to you. So I will be putting the website's name here. From here you can just search the best accommodation for you, and will suggest you that please first go there, see everything, and then book. Otherwise, do it on the video call if you are outside, like suppose you are in India and you want to go to Germany. So please do not believe on the website, but do video call or either the Google Meet or Skype, or if you are in Germany, then please go watch it by your eyes and then book it. And guys, there you will be getting, or like on these particular website, you will be getting either the shared rooms or the private rooms, both. So which like whatever is suitable for you, just go and apply for that. If you are having a very less budget, then we'll suggest you, or if you are a male, then it is more convenient for you for the shared one. If you are female, then if everybody is female, like you are having 3 to 4 students or the 3 to 4 friends, if you all are female, then you can take the shared room. Otherwise, we'll suggest you go with the private, else it depends on your budget. Okay, so the next one, I will be suggesting you that please do join the Facebook groups or the online groups on WhatsApp, Facebooks, or you may find it on like Twitter or LinkedIn. So you will be finding a lot of groups there, maybe not on Twitter, but still. So there you have to put some like the basic words, the international students or the Germany accommodation, such keywords you can put, and you will be getting the groups for the same, and from there you can see that what best is suiting you. And please make sure on these websites, on these social media platforms, on the WhatsApp group, a lot of scammers are there, so please be prevent, and what are the tips and tricks we're gonna tell you in the end of the video. So do watch this video till end. So guys, the next which I want to tell you is that please consider different options, because in Germany lots of people are going, lots of international students are there, lots of people who are searching job are there, lots of people are there for the house building. So there is a less possibility that you will be finding the accommodation very quickly. So we'll suggest you whatever you are able to find, whether it is private, whether it is your private or the shared ones, whatever it is. Find the PGs in Germany, whatever kind of property you are able to find, just grab it, because in Germany it is very tough to find the accommodation because of a lot of crowd. So guys, the last point which I want to tell you is that please do understand rental agreements properly before signing to it. Read each and everything, familiarize yourself with each and every single point or the word in which you are having confusion, because it is very essential. It's a different country, it's not your country. The rules will be very different from India, rules will be very different from other countries. So please make sure while signing it, please make sure that you are familiarized with each or single word of that rental agreement, so that it will be very helpful for you while living there. You will be having no issues further, and you will be able to understand and recognize each and everything. Yeah, now let's come to the another part. As I have told you, this video will be of 3 parts. The first part I have told you. Second is what are the scams which are there right now for the same accommodation in Germany. So let me just discuss that, and in third part I will be telling you how you can prevent yourself from the same. Let's start. So guys, let me just tell you what actually scammers do in Germany. They basically ask you money before signing the contract. They just ask you money after watching the photos and the videos which they have sent you. They will be asking and saying to you that there are lots of people who are just looking for this property. If you want to book first, then please pay the amount. After that you can sign the further things. So you have to be aware before watching the property live through video call or by your eyes. If you are present there, do not pay a single penny to the tenant. Please make sure that you are aware of each and every rental agreement, because they can just they will be just blaming you after that once you sign the contract or once you pay the amount, that we are not sending you. Or maybe a lot of people just message me on the WhatsApp or the mails that we just got scammed, we pay the amount and now they have blocked us. So please guys, be aware without watching the property live, by your eyes, by video call, while just after signing the contract, after reading it properly, you need to pay the amount. And please make sure 50% you give while you are in India. Once you see the property, then pay the 50%, so that it will be so much safe for you. Now let me just come to the third part, that how we can prevent ourselves from these scams. So guys, the very first way in which you can prevent yourself from the scam is, guys, please do research over your landlords, because that is very important. Either you can take their ID proofs, or if you are going through the agencies, then you can search that online and you can read the reviews. You can just go through their profile, because Google has everything. There are lots of websites, so you can just go through that, so that when you are mentally sure that yes, he or she is perfect, then only go for the further things. So guys, the next point is that if you are in Germany, then we'll suggest you please go to the property, see each and everything by your eyes, because what they do is whatever is broken there, whatever is damaged there, they will be just raising their hands that when we have given you, everything was correct, everything was well done, everything was well settled. But if there was some damage or something, then you have to pay for that and you have to repair it, because it's there in their rental agreement and they will be scamming you like that. So please be prepared. So guys, the next point is that please do not get attracted towards the unrealistic codes which they will be giving you, the realistic offers which they will be providing you, because the scammer basically is attracting you towards that thing, because you will be thinking that wow, on this much amount we are getting at such a good place. So of course it will be some scam. I'm not saying it is must, but the high chances are there. So please make sure that you have to research over the same, and you have to not get attracted. You need not to show them that yes, I'm excited, yes, let's do it. Please don't do that. Just have some patience and see each and everything calmly and then decide. So guys, as I have already told you that you have to read the rental agreement properly, so I just want to clear some points from that while you are reading the contract, please make sure you see that when you have to do the deposit, till how many period they are just renting you this place, what are the termination rules, when you have to pay the amount, from what are the cycle of the payment, how much will be the payment, is there any hidden amount, if you do any damage then what will be the thing. Each and every single point you need to see and clarify while before the signing that basic contract of the rental. So please make sure you do that. And guys, last but not the least, please be aware of the pressure tactics, because they will be giving you a lot of pressure. They will be just pressurizing you that this place is about to sell and all. So please guys, this is not only the one place which you need to buy. In that hurry, do not pay the amount. Just keep calm yourself, see everything. Once you are satisfied, then only pay the amount and take that place to live in Germany. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope all the 3 points are clear. The very first part was what and how you can get accommodation in Germany. Second, how do scams happen in Germany. Third, how you can be prevent. So I hope you like this video. I hope you got a lot of knowledge. Please do share this video to your friends, and if you are willing to learn German, then you know what you have to do. This is the number. Go right now, WhatsApp, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Tschüss.